What would happen if 1,000 ants faced impossible obstacle courses? Today we test their teamwork, intelligence, and survival skills. In this experiment, I challenged my ant colony to complete several difficult tasks. First, the red ants must cross a dangerous gap. Watch how they work together to build a bridge using their own bodies. Next, they must climb a tall wall. Most insects would fail, but red ants find a creative way to climb. Now, red ants must carry a heavy object many times their body weight. This shows their insane strength. Finally, the red ants must find food through a complex maze. Their communication and teamwork is truly incredible. This experiment proves that red ants are not just insects. They are organized, intelligent, unbelievably powerful. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more amazing experiments.